Stages and diagnosis of lung cancer. The main symptoms produced by lung cancer is persistent cough, hemoptysis, hoarseness of the throat, dyspnea, dysphagia, loss of appetite, loss of weight. Then there is fatigue symptoms, bone pain, muscle pain. These are the various symptoms produced by the lung cancer. The stages of lung cancer. Stage first, when the cancer cells are limited in the lung parenchyma. Stage second, when it undergo rapid replication, division, and involve the surrounding lymph nodes. There is inflammation of the lymph nodes, lymphadenopathy. Stage third, when the lung cancer cells has involved the or invaded the tissues outside the lung parenchyma and within the thoracic cavity, mediastinum, especially hilar lymph nodes. The final stage is metastatic stage. There is a capability of the lung cell to shred away, and then they travel through the bloodstream or lymphatic channels to the distant organs of the body, especially liver, bone, adrenals, and the brain. So these metastatic spread of the lung cancer cells produces secondaries in these organs, which produces the symptoms according to the organ involved. There is enlargement of the liver, insufficiency of the liver function, jaundice, anemia. When it is located in bones, they produces fracture of the bones, weakening of the bone pain. Similarly, when it invades the brain tissue, there is delirium, tremors, convulsion, seizures, and coma. So these are the symptoms related according to the organs invaded by the metastatic lung cancer cells. So these are the 4 stages of the lung cancer. Now, diagnosis of the lung cancer. Blood smears examination for RBC, ESR, antibody against the cancer cells. So these are the main points to study by the blood sample. X-rays series, simple X-rays that locate the position and the size of the cancer or the tumor. Then there is detailed study of the cancer tumor, that is CT scan, PET scan, MRI. These are the advanced methods to study in detail the morphology and the size, division, and the changes in the cancer cells and the stages of the cancer in the lung parenchyma. The electronic study by the bronchoscopy. Bronchoscope is a electronic device fitted with light and camera, video camera that passes through the airway into the lung air bags or alveoli to study the location, morphology, size, and the structures around the tumor of the lung cancer to judge the healthy tissues, remaining tissue of the lungs, which are going to function normally. So by this bronchoscope, it is not only the diagnostic but also used as therapeutic purpose, because we can also extract a small piece of the tumor which is called as biopsy by the curate and sent to the laboratory for microscopic study of the cytological study of the cancer cells, the various size, various stages, various form of the cancer cells. Because cancer cell is not of one type, but it is of different size, different types, various changes in morphology. The complication of the lung cancer is pleural effusion ascites. So also the fluid or exudate which is produced by the lung cancer in the pleura, that is also drained and sent to the laboratory for cytological study. Same is the procedure for the peritoneal exudate, that is also studied under microscope in the laboratory for the stages of the lung cancer tissues. So these are the diagnostic procedures, stages of the lung carcinoma to be studied.